Earth is not warming but overheating. Do you know why? Global warming, gradual warming of atmosphere means gradual increase of Earth's average temperature. Role of greenhouse effect, large emission of carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide gas. These gases trap heat which increases atmospheric temperature, known as greenhouse effect or global warming. Main causes burning fossil fuel and hydrocarbons, deforestation, wild forest fire, factories and vehicles, human activities. Visible effect, rising in temperature, melting of glaciers, extreme weather. We will see its dangerous effect in part 2 of the shorts. Thank you.